Surface areas and volumes, exercise 10.3 part 2. Fourth problem. The cost of painting the total surface area of a cone at 25 paise per cm square is rupees 176. Find the volume of the cone if its slant height is 25 centimeters. Here it is given the cost of painting the total surface area of a cone is 176. But what is the rate? For 1 centimeter square, the cost of painting is 25 paise. So we have to find the volume of the cone given the slant height. So cost of painting TSA is rupees 176 and slant height is 25 centimeters. Cost of painting 1 cm square is 0.25 paise. So if the cost of painting the total TSA is 176, what is the TSA? Cross multiply 176 into 1 by 0.25, 704 cm square. This is the TSA of the cone. We also know L, 25 centimeters. So what is the formula for TSA of a cone? Pi r into L plus r. This is equal to 704. So pi is 22 by 7, r we don't know, into L is 25 plus r equal to 704. So after simplification, 25r plus r square equal to 224. So what is the equation here? R square plus 25r minus 224 equal to 0. So we have to solve this equation to get the radius r of the cone. So let this be equation 1. We have to factorize this equation and resolve using middle term separation. So for that we have to prime factorize 224. What are the various combinations? We can write 224 as a product of 224 can be written as 32 into 7. 32 into 7 is 224. So if we factorize using middle term separation, r square plus 25r minus 224 equal to 0. This 25r can be written as r square plus 32r minus 7r minus 224 equal to 0. So again, let us solve the first two equations. Terms. R square plus 32r. What is the common in these two? R. So r into r plus 32. In the second two terms, minus 7 is common into r plus 32 equal to 0. So r plus 32 into r minus 7 is equal to 0. So let us equate each of these into equate each of these to 0. R plus 32 equal to 0, r minus 7 equal to 0. So r equal to either minus 32 or r equal to 7. But radius cannot be negative. So only value of r is 7. Possible value of r is 7. So radius of the cone is 7 centimeters. Now we know the slant height 25 centimeters and radius 7 centimeters. We know L and R. So this is a right angle triangle. So square of hypotenuse equal to sum of square of the other two sides. So L square equal to R square plus H square. H square equal to L square minus R square. H equal to square root of L square minus R square. So let us substitute the values of L and R. Square root of 25, square root of 25 square minus 7 square. That is equal to square root of 625 minus 49. Square root of 576, which is square root of 24 square. Square root and square cancelled. H is 24. So height of the cone is 24 centimeters. Now we have to find the volume of the cone, which is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So let us substitute values of h and r. That is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 24. Because r is 7 and h is 24. So after simplification, volume is 1232 centimeter cube. Fifth problem. From a circle of radius 15 centimeters, a sector with angle 216 degrees is cut out and its bounding radii are bent so as to form a cone. Find its volume. So here a circle is given and the angle of the sector is given, which is 216. So this particular part in yellow, this is cut from the circle and it is made into a bent into a cone. Okay, is made into this cone. So that means sector is bent to form a cone. Radius of circle is 15 centimeters. RC is the radius of the circle and theta is 216 degrees, which is angle of the sector. So as the sector is bent to form a cone, radius of circle is equal to slant height of cone. Okay, because this radius becomes the slant height if the sector is bent. So also area of the sector is equal to area of the cone. Okay, because sector itself is bent to form a cone, area of sector equal to area of cone. So let us first find the area of the sector. Area of the sector formula is theta by 360 into pi rc square, because pi r square is area of circle. So what is the area of sector? Theta by 360 into pi r square. So 216 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 15 into 15. So let this be 1. This is area of sector. So here, because radius of cone and slant height of the radius of circle is equal to slant height of cone, which is 15 centimeters. So what is the curved surface area of the cone? Because we have to equate area of sector to curved surface area of cone. So curved surface area of cone is pi RL, which is equal to 22 by 7 into R we don't know, into L is 15. So let this be equation 2. We have to equate these two because their areas are equal. We have to equate these two. 216 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 15 equal to 22 by 7 into R into 15. So here after simplification R is 9. So radius of the cone is 9 centimeters and slant height is 15 centimeters. What is height? Height is square root of L square minus R square, which is equal to 15 square is square root of 225 minus 9 square is 81. So square root of 144, which is 12. So H is 12 centimeters. Now we know R and H both. So let us calculate the volume of the cone, which is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 9 into 9 into 12, which is equal to 1018.28. So let us round off. 1018.3 centimeter cube is the volume of the cone. Like, share and subscribe for more interesting maths videos on surface areas and volumes.